as hell.
Excuse me, sir. Would you like some coffee before we serve dinner?
No, thank you.
Would either of you like another cup of coffee?
I will, but Jim won't.
I think I will have another cup of coffee.
Jim never has a second cup of coffee at home.
Excuse me, sister.
Yes?
There's a little girl on board up front who's ill, and...
Oh, yes, I saw. Poor child.
Could I borrow your guitar? I thought maybe I could cheer her up.
Oh, of course.
Thank you. Hi.
Hi.
Do you mind if I talk to your daughter?
Well, I think that'd be nice.
Hi, I'm Randy.
I'm Lisa. Oh, you have a guitar.
Mm-hmm. I thought maybe you'd like to hear a song.
I'd love to.
Okay. Let's see. This is one of my favorites.
I traveled the banks of the river of Jordan to find where it flows to the sea. I looked in the eyes of the cold and the hungry, and I saw that I was looking at me. And I wanted to know if life had a purpose and what it all means in the end. In the silence I listened to voices inside me, and they told me again and again, there is only one river, there is only one sea, and it flows through you, and it flows through me.